Hi, and welcome to episode number 365 with whatsforchow.com. As you can probably hear, I have been accosted by a serious bout of flu and cold, so this is the perfect opportunity to show you my homemade cough syrup recipe. Be warned that this is not for people under the legal drinking age. You can go directly to the printable recipe by clicking the on-screen link at the end of this video. To start, measure out the fresh grated ginger into a small jug and pour in 50 ml of boiling water. Stir this briefly to combine. In another jug, measure out the lemon juice and add the honey to this. Stir this to dissolve the honey. Pour the ginger mixture into the honey and lemon. Allow this to stand for 5 minutes before straining it through a fine strainer or coffee filter. Once most of the liquid has passed through the filter, press the remaining pulp against the side of the filter to extract as much liquid as you can. Pour in the brandy, mix to combine, and you're almost done. Pour the mixture into clean bottles and store these in your refrigerator indefinitely until required. Thanks for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again tomorrow.